ammo. Oh, is your IPK only with 40 bullets? Oh, I see.
It's gonna be tricky. I gotta get 25 and 60.
I had one RPK laying at the far
There's one
loadout
here.
with 47 bullets.
Right at the end. I hope the zone's gonna be towards us. I hope. I hope. I hope.
Yeah, and they have to come out of the water towards you. Though. Oh, you have the guns too, the pistols. Oh, you see him a little bit to the left.
Don't shoot, don't shoot. Too far.
Just make sure, just
three
cover your left
teams.
side. That maybe people coming out of gas that played gas for longer.
There's 2, and 1.
Okay,
One
zone
team
pull.
is 2
Come on,
teams.
zone pull.
Oh shit. Oh shit. We wanna go right side?
Did it pull?
There's gonna be them.
Hey, with a pistol you can kill people in the water,
wait.
inside the water. And on Marcus, you can dive into the water, and inside the water you can kill them with your pistols.
Yep. Careful, left side, left side.
Nice.
Alright, then there.
Only 5 bullets left. Only 5 bullets left. You have smoke.
No, wait, you smoked! No, this is stupid! One is
You
there.
can use the pistol underwater.
Cracked one. Oh, they're with knives! They're with knives! Careful!
Yes!
Yes!
Yes! Let's fucking go!
Oh my god!
Dude, you freaking
Damn.
deleted them with that pistol.
Wow! Well, this was some kind of crazy shit. Yeah. Man, I didn't know that fucking